think this kind of thing could happen to me. She's stuck in my head like a beautiful song. I've tried to fight it, now I'm singing along. Can't stop thinking about it, and every little thing she'd say. Can't stop thinking about it, and even when the sky is gray, she always seems to light my way. She holds my attention, she breaks my resolve. She poses more problems than I'll ever solve. Her impossible hair and curious mouth, she's a jigsaw puzzle that I can't figure out. Can't stop thinking about it. It's not as if I haven't tried. Can't stop thinking about it. But every time I close my eyes, I feel her standing by my side. I was hoping to use my head today for anything else instead today, but there's only room for her. Now there's no use in hiding or running away. I think about her more and more and more every day. I tried to deny it, but I can't pretend.